Meaning of infuriate.
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 Infuriate. The word infuriate means to make someone extremely angry or enraged. It is a verb that denotes the act of causing intense frustration or anger in a person. When someone is infuriated, they may exhibit physical or verbal expressions of anger, such as shouting, cursing, or even violence. The result of infuriating someone can be significant and lasting. It can damage relationships, cause rifts between individuals or groups, and result in negative consequences for both parties involved. Infuriation can also lead to emotional distress, increased stress levels, and other adverse health effects in individuals on the receiving end of this emotion.